Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Prisha the Creator. Today, Prisha has some super cool and easy art projects that you can do right at home. We'll be making 3 amazing crafts using simple supplies you probably already have. Ready to get creative? Let's get started. For our first project, we'll be making some playful paper plate masks. You'll need a few paper plates, markers, some colorful paper, scissors, and string. First, draw your favorite animal face on the plate using markers. It could be a lion, a bunny, or even a superhero. Next, carefully cut out holes for the eyes and add some paper ears or whiskers. Use string to tie the mask around your head. And there you go, your very own animal mask. Isn't it fun to pretend to be your favorite character? With a little imagination, you can create masks for a play, a party, or just for some silly fun. Now, let's make some lovely flowers that never wilt. We'll be using egg cartons, paint, and some green pipe cleaners. First, cut out the cups from the egg carton. These will be the flower petals. Paint the petals in any color you like. Once the paint dries, poke a small hole at the bottom of each cup and insert a green pipe cleaner to act as the stem. Now arrange your flowers in a little vase, and you've made a beautiful bouquet that can brighten up any room. It's a great gift for someone special or a fun way to decorate your space. For our grand finale, let's create some magical art using just a white crayon and watercolor paints. First, take a white sheet of paper and draw a design using a white crayon. This can be your name, secret message, or even a beautiful pattern. Now, paint over the entire paper with different watercolors. Look at that! The crayon design shows up like magic. This happens because the wax from the crayon resists the water, making your hidden drawing pop out. This technique is perfect for creating greeting cards or just experimenting with fun colors. Try using different shapes and see what surprise art you can reveal. Thanks for joining Prisha the Creator for these fun art projects. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. So keep creating and exploring your imagination. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more creative ideas. See you next time, little artists.